Some places take your breath away. La Paz is one of them. It's located here on the edge of the Sea of Cortez. It's a place that Jacques Cousteau once called the world's aquarium. It's a place where whale sharks and sea lions slide effortlessly through crystal blue waters. But like a lot of places, La Paz is changing. So the question is, with all this pressure and all of this development, how long can La Paz maintain its natural beauty? Some people say some of that is already lost. I recall a situation a few years ago in Balandra Beach where there was a yacht that sank and created a massive oil spill, and as a result of that, the Balandra Beach had to be shut down for a number of months while they did an extensive cleanup. There's no telling the damage that was done to the aquatic environment. But Jacques Cousteau wasn't just passing through this place. He saw something special here, something unspoiled, something like he had not seen anyplace else in the world. But even Jacques Cousteau warned that it won't last forever. Fast forward to today. More people are discovering La Paz. More resorts, more condos like the ones behind me, more boats in the water. Coming here for the very same reason that Cousteau discovered back in the 60s and 70s. But that all comes with a price. Overfishing, pollution, and population growth. Conservationists wonder if La Paz's natural beauty can survive under this strain. So La Paz is one of the most beautiful places on earth, but it's at a crossroads. The question isn't, will it change? It has changed already. The question is, will it change in a way that preserves the natural beauty that drew people like Jacques Cousteau here to begin with? Cousteau saw this place at its best, and he warned what would happen if we didn't protect it. Now, that responsibility falls on us. The people that pass through here, the expats that live here today, and the locals that make their living here out on these waters and along the Malecon. If you care about places like this, wild, untamed places with loads of natural beauty, please give me a subscribe, because this is the kind of story I think we need to keep telling. Thanks for watching. Talk soon.